Hey guys, welcome. This is how to fix screen flickering on Android. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. Now, once you are on the settings guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to display. Now, here on the display, if your screen is flickering, based on my research, adjusting your screen can fix the issue, adjusting the brightness, or you can go for adapted brightness as well. Now, another option, if that doesn't work, just simply scroll down, and from here, you can just simply go for the accidental touch protection over here. So make sure that is turned on. And now, if it doesn't work still, you may have a hardware issues, and from there, you may need to call for professional help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.